Hey everyone, welcome to the LeetCode 500 Problem Challenge in Python. Over the next several videos, we're going to take on 500 LeetCode problems one at a time, breaking them down step by step so you actually understand the thought process behind solving them. In coding, these skills are the foundation of writing efficient and elegant solutions to a wide range of problems. In this video, we're kicking off the challenge with problem 1, that is, checking whether a number is a palindrome using Python. So the problem that we have is, given an integer x, return true if x is a palindrome and false otherwise. So the task is to determine whether a given integer x is a palindrome. A palindrome is a number that reads the same backward as forward. For example, the integer 121 will read the same in both backward and forward. Here's how the problem works. You're given an integer x, and you need to check if this integer is a palindrome. If it is a palindrome, return true. If it is not a palindrome, return false. To determine if a number is a palindrome, you must consider its digits from left to right and from right to left. If the order of the digits is the same in both directions, the number is a palindrome. If not, it's not a palindrome. For example, the integer 121 is a palindrome because it reads the same in both directions. And the integer -121 is not a palindrome because it reads differently from left to right and from right to left. So now let's see the step-by-step explanation of our code. So first defines a class solution, and a method is palindrome that takes an integer x as input and returns a Boolean value, true if it is a palindrome or false if not. Now let's handle our code for the negative number and the number that ends with 0, because in both of these cases, our number is not a palindrome. So if the x is less than 0, or x modulo 10 is equal to 0, and x is not equal to 0, then return false. This section checks for special cases where x cannot be a palindrome. If x is a negative number, it's not a palindrome, so we return false. If x ends with 0, except when x is 0 itself, it cannot be a palindrome because palindromes do not have leading zeros. In this case, we also return false. Now we define two variables, reversed x and original x, to store the reverse number and the original number. Now let's reverse the digits of x using the while loop. While x is greater than 0, the end digit is equal to x modulo 10. Then the reversed x is equal to reversed x multiplied by 10 and plus the last digit. And then we set the x to the 4 division by 10. This part of the code reverses the digits of x. Inside a while loop, it extracts the last digit of x by using the modulo operator. The end digit stores the value of the last digit of a number. Then reversed x is updated by multiplying it by 10 and then adding the end digit to it. This builds the reverse number digit by digit. Finally, we remove the last digit from x by using integer division. For example, let's take the number 121. In the first iteration, x is set to 121 and the reversed x is set to 0. So in our first iteration, we extract the last digit, that is 1, from the x and store it into the end digit variable. And then we add this end digit into the reversed x, so the reversed x becomes 1. And finally, we remove the last digit from x, leaving x equal to 12. Similarly, in the second iteration, we extract the last digit, that is 2, and add it to the reversed x, so now the reversed x becomes 12. We now remove the last digit from x, leaving x equal to 1. In the third iteration, we extract the last digit, that is 1, and add it to the reversed x. Now reversed x becomes 121. We now remove the last digit from x, leaving x equal to 0. So now the loop ends because x is no longer greater than 0. And finally, we have reversed the digits successfully. After reversing the digits, we check if the reversed x is equal to the original x. If they are equal, it means x is a palindrome, so we return true. If they are not equal, it means x is not a palindrome, so we return false. Now that we've broken down the problem, it's time to see our Python code in action. Let's execute the program and check if the number 121 is a palindrome or not. So if we run the program, then you can see we are getting true as the output, because the number 121 is a palindrome. And now if we enter the -121, then the output we get is false. Now that we've explored the code, it's time to put it to the test. We'll paste our Python script into the LeetCode code editor and run the program. This way we can demonstrate that our solution has been accepted. I hope you found the solution insightful and helpful in your coding journey. If you enjoyed this video and would like to see more LeetCode problems solved in upcoming videos, please consider subscribing to our channel. Don't forget to hit the like button if you found this video useful. Your likes and comments help our channel grow, and they let us know what kind of content you'd like to see more of. And of course, if you have any specific LeetCode problems or programming topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, please leave your suggestions in the comments below. So stay tuned for more exciting coding challenges and in-depth explanations. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.